Selling your Fair Oaks home after a divorce or separation doesn't have to be stressful, even if you need it sold fast. When life changes, like a divorce or a separation, selling your home can feel overwhelming. Between emotions, logistics, and timelines, it's normal to want a smooth, stress-free process. One option many homeowners turn to is selling their home cash, because it simplifies the process and eliminates many traditional hurdles. When you work with Bridgehaven Homes, we buy homes in Fair Oaks and surrounding cities, cash in any condition. You don't have to worry about repairs, staging, or months on the market. Just share a few basic details about the property like condition, address, and timeline, and we will evaluate your home quickly. Then we'll present you a fair all-cash offer. No waiting on appraisals or buyer financing. If you choose to accept, you pick the closing date that works best for your situation. We take care of the paperwork and the closing costs and make sure everything is straightforward in a time when clarity matters. Bridgehaven Homes makes selling your Fair Oaks home after a divorce or separation simple and easy. Visit bridgehavenhomes.com.